Okay. Hi guys, we're here today sa gender reveal ni Ate Gretel. What do you think? Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
It's a girl. Anong tawag ito?
Team boys ka pala, te. Sabi mo girls ka.
The motherhood. The motherhood! Ay, ikaw hindi kita pwedeng tanungin. Ikaw, Toy, ano tingin mo? Boy or a girl?
Boy.
Boy. Boy or girl?
Boy.
Ikaw?
Boy.
Boy, ba't kayo mga nakapink? Boy pala yung gusto nyo! My goodness! Joey, what do you think? Boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy. Ate, how about you? Ay, boy! Girl! Boy. Ay, girl! Sabi, what do you think? Is it a boy or a girl? A girl? How about you? Sheldon? Boy or girl?
Boy.
Sheldon?
Boy.
Boy! How about you guys? Is it a boy or a girl? What do you think?
I think it's a boy.
It's a boy. Actually, I'm wearing pink. I thought it's a boy. I think it's a boy.
Boy yan.
Si Bani yung tingin ni Bani eh. Dada, ikaw pala, what do you think? It's a boy or a girl?
Girl, boy, bakla to.
Gaga.
Girl.
Boy, boy! What do you think, boy or girl?
Boy. You said boy.
Ah.
You said boy.
Boy?
Boy. You said blue.
Okay. We'll see it later. Is it a boy or a girl? A boy. Siyempre, girl. Girl. Girl.
Oh my God! Let's go!
Si Mark, hindi ko pa natatanong. Mark, is it a boy or a girl?
I don't know.
You don't know? Arkin, is it a boy or a girl? Boy?
You think it's a boy?
Girl? We're about to find out!
It's a boy.
We're about to find out! Okay, let's go outside. Yay! We're gonna count, okay?
Alright, we're gonna count.
3, 2, 1, go! It's a boy! I thought boy! It's a boy! Congrats! Yay! Look at his face! It's a boy!